Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special hotel style fish curry. It's a very tasty and unique recipe we receive in Kerala hotels along with Kerala meals. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. After 10 seconds, add 1 sliced onion, 1.5 teaspoon chopped garlic, 1.5 teaspoon chopped ginger. Mix it well. Close the lid and saute it on medium flame for 7 minutes until the onion turns to light brown color. Now the onion has changed its color to light brown color. Now add 1 sliced tomato, mix it well. Close the lid, saute it for 4 minutes until the tomato becomes soft. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half cup of grated coconut, mix it well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. Wait 2 minutes to get it cool down. After 2 minutes, transfer it into a grinder jar, add half cup of water and grind it nicely into a paste form. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoon oil and heat it. Then add 8 sliced shallots, some curry leaves, 4 green chili seeds. Mix it well, saute it for 5 minutes on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
After 5 minutes, keep it low flame and add 1.5 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix it well. Now add the grinded mixture to it. Also add 1 cup of water and half cup of water after washing the grinder jar. Then add 2 to 3 cucumber star cut into pieces, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, change to low flame and cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, add 500 grams of cleaned and washed fish cut into pieces. Also add some curry leaves. Close the lid and cook on medium flame for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, open the lid. Add 1 round sliced tomato. Very gently mix it nicely. Close the lid and cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. After 2 minutes, open the lid, switch off the flame. Our hotel style fish curry is ready. It's a very tasty and unique recipe we receive in Kerala hotels along with Kerala meals.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.